Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious Nigerian vegetable soup, the party style. You're going to love this. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. So the first ingredient I have here is ugu leaves, also known as fluted pumpkin. So make sure you wash with salt water, then you shred. And the next here is water leaves. You're going to also wash it with salt water and also shred. Here we have cow meat, that is beef. We have stockfish head. We also have catfish, okay, dried catfish. Crayfish, we're going to grind this crayfish. Then here is organ meat, shaki and roundabout, well washed with salt water. This is called periwinkle or isam. The next on our list is snail, cow skin aka pomo. We have onions, fresh pepper, fresh palm oil, seasoning cubes, and salt. So the first thing you're going to do is, in a clean pot, pour the shaki, then the washed stockfish head, onions, seasoning cube, add salt, add water, cover and leave to cook for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you add the beef, the pomo, cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, you add the washed and deboned dry catfish. Add the snail, cook for 7 minutes. Add the roughly blended fresh pepper. Then you cover and leave to cook until the water in the protein is almost dried or absorbed. So as you guys can see, the water in the protein is almost absorbed. Not completely absorbed, but make sure it's dried a little. Then set that aside. In a clean dry pot, pour in your palm oil. You know, vegetable soup needs palm oil. Heat up a little for like a minute. Then you add your grated onions. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add your ground crayfish. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Add your shredded water leaves. Stir fry for 3 minutes. Cover and leave to cook until the water is absorbed. The water in the water leaves is not completely absorbed. You're going to leave it for some time. Yeah, the water is absorbed now, as you guys can see. Yes, this is what we want. Then add your cooked protein, that is the meat and the fish. Add your periwinkle. Cook for 4 minutes. Add seasoning cube, salt, add your shredded ugu leaves. Cover and leave to cook for 3 minutes. Then this is a delicious soup after 3 minutes. Ooh, delicious. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing a delicious Nigerian vegetable soup, party style? This is good. Get your swallows. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. It was so delicious. So if you've been wanting to prepare Nigerian vegetable soup, the party style, guys, this is it. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.